gas station back here. It's funny. Just give me a logo on it. Yeah, it does.
This one doesn't sound good.
Oh, here's the top of the train. Well, it's stuck there. I can't get it out. We'll go. That's top of the train, but it's stuck. I can't pick it up. I better be ready for one of you. I'm busy. Move right here, morning. Oh, there's no back there. Your comfort. What's the sound here? Oh, they're so noisy. It sounds good. There. Nästan får vara in i styrpa. Allt går för valt att kasta campus så vidare för dina kurser. Oj, det är fick jag se bear style over there.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Is that what this place is running?
Sounds nice. That's a really nice sound.
What's this to my here?
Oh, that's an ox.
Oh, ox box. I just wonder if there's someone if there's someone up here. I'm not going to sit down. Road right here. You're almost at one. It's clear, it's nosy. Oh, wow, there's the bike. Yeah. There's nobody here. Oh, here's me running. Fisheries. Blinds. Time for production. Oh, that's a premier recommendation to readers. So we're up here. That train there's noisy. I'm going up here now. I'm going to take pictures of here. This session just talking to the picture heaven. Just down there. Actually, that's the picture just that way. Yeah. We're near giants too. What a big puddle! I'm not going to go in that puddle. Oh, so over here is noisy. I wonder what it is. That does not sound good at all. That's just noisy and loud. Maybe it is a place though. This train is noisy. Noisy train itself was the date of it. 2012, the year I was born. Oh, there is over there. I'll be so sorry, I'll just go over here with these. I'm going this way. I'm going to over here. I see it. Give me now. I wonder if you have to give there's 4 boys. It'll be cool if we can see a 4 boy Griffin. We want to see Griffin 4 boys. Have you seen 4 boy Griffin yet? Here's this game is actually the only one out here. Yep. Pure comforts. Nothing to work on it. My next merit. 1/3. Blind top will go. Air temp is running. This is a huge complex. I see it freaks out over here. Oh, some of here's noisy. I think fixing another ox box. This bear's running.
That's a fall off. That doesn't sound good.
There's that right here, buddy. Train's running too. Let's go over here. Oh, there's the dentist air conditioners over there. I see the dentist air conditioners. That's the dentist air conditioners right there. Over there's dentist air conditioners. We're actually we're not that complex. Yeah, I said that's what I've already filmed it before. I would have video of this air conditioners over here. That was nice. There's some running right here. Marina's down there. Care performance. The blind statue.
Oh, here's another one that's made that doesn't sound good. I found another one that smells that doesn't sound good.
Very cold and sweaty. Oh, it's supposed to have going to what? Oh, here we go. There's these. Clinics now. It's running. Goodman. Care Performance Series. The trains. Skimmer's running. Portion's here. Oh, we gotta be careful going down here. It's rocks here, so we gotta be very careful. Oh, and I have bought the rocks before. But those ones again, not ready from those second pairs. Oh, there's someone here that we're in football. We're supposed to see these now. Oh, I see a mini over there and I've actually seen it. We'll stop here first. Wait a second, here we can see, yeah. Yep. Bump. I know there's one more here. Oh, this is a big complex. There's just some more over here. We didn't see it. We got carriers.
I see. Superior performances and a brand new carrier comfort.
Or it could be carrier century. Look, there's money.
That's carrier comfort steel.
is running.
Welcome top logo. Look at that.
The speed is running. Right. Look at the beam. Stop. Come on. We're gonna sit now. I've got two cigars here, I think.
Oh, mommy, the city is
Start up.
the same as our room.
Oh yes, that's separate with ours.